question. So now I'm trying to shut down the main disconnect for this voltage source, right? So if I was to turn it off, this one's a little different. I open it up. This one doesn't have fuses in it, but I would go to my voltage setting. I would test it again. Yeah, I got 117, so I know my meter is working. And then I would go, there's my green screw in the back. And I'm going to test for voltage.
And do you always have to ground when you're testing?
No, you can go face to face, but the safest thing on the first try or run through is face to ground before you go face to face. Okay. Now, you got to think. There's a blocker here for a reason. It says it's the line shield, right? This says reinstall after wiring the device. This is going to be live even if this thing is turned off because it's fed from over there. Okay? So I'm going to say that again. So this is always going to be live when this is turned off unless we have turned off further upstream. The only place it's going to be turned off is the load side out. Okay, and if you follow the wires, they go up and around, and then they go through this conduit and drop down. Okay, so if I am going to test, I'm going to be testing on the load side of the device.
Right,
Zero,
the
zero,
outputs.
Yeah, 0. And then again, I'll flip mine around, my leads around, 0, 0, and 0. And then 0, 0, 0, 0. And then again, I flip them around again, 0, 0, 0, 0.
Okay.
Okay? To make sure that that's... So now I know that